So, draining the tank. There's the bucket under the truck, and we're looking through the gap here. I'm going to unscrew this cap and watch the flow. It's probably drained a gallon since the last time the cap was open. The lines are disconnected at the HCFM. Get you a good shot here, steady. Okay, opening now. Push, if I put it back on. Not going to make a whole lot of difference for a while, but it does slow down. It was more dramatic the first time I did it because I drained probably 3 gallons of fuel maybe with it closed, and then I opened it up, and it was significantly faster. So what do you guys think? The vents, the tank vents stopped up, and like I said, my pressure and return lines from the tank going to the ACFM are disconnected at the ACFM and not blocked. So what the heck? I'll try it again. It hasn't really drained all that much, but there it went. A little twitch there. I don't know what y'all think.